This girl talking about she wants a 3D jellyfish, so let's see if I can deliver it for her. I started out by grabbing me a bead of the molding gel and patting it out into like a jellyfish head shape and placing it down on the nail. Now I'm just pressing it out and molding it a little bit more into that shape, pushing up at the bottom to create that edge. Not gonna cure that yet. I'm gonna grab the tiniest little beads for my little jellyfish legs and roll them out like this. Attach that right at the bottom of the head of the jellyfish and taking my nail or use a silicone tool and turn it a little bit each way to make it look like a little leg. I made 4 different legs for this little jellyfish. Now I'm taking half acetone and half alcohol and I'm smoothing the whole jellyfish down before I go on top and painting it. Starting out doing a little bit of milky white at the bottom of the head of the jellyfish. I'm taking a light blue and drawing some lines up and filling in the top of that. Now I'm going in with some darker blue on top of that lighter blue and doing the exact same thing, but making sure I don't cover up all of the lighter blue. Painting a little bit of the darker blue on the bottom of that jellyfish head and dragging it down all of my little tentacles. I flash cure in between each of the tentacles so the polish doesn't run everywhere. Taking our light blue and going in and placing little light blue dots everywhere. We're adding some darker blue dots as well. We're doing her ring finger, a seashell nail, so I take the lightest blue and I create a Frenchie with that first. Without curing my Frenchie, I start taking my other blues and just dragging them across back and forth. Now we're just doing the exact same thing with our darker blue, and this gives you the little seashell effect. We added a few cute little rhinestones at the top of this. After I top coat the nail, now I'm taking my clear builder gel and I'm creating the little seashell lines. I like to flash cure in between each one of these as well so they don't run together. Her ring finger, we're painting a little flower on, so I lay down all the little petals with my lightest blue. I hold my airbrush close to the center of that flower and spray some darker blue. And put some little darker blue dots towards the outside of the leaves of the flower. Add on our little gold beads and then we're going to go ahead and top coat that nail. I want this flower to look 3D, so I'm going in with my builder gel and just putting it on top of each one of those petals. Lastly, we're going to do a water nail on the pinky, so I painted the bottom blue and I put milky white on the top of that. Without curing that milky white, I'm placing on dots of top coat right into that to create that water effect. Top this nail off with pearls and some little humpies. Let me know if you would try out the 3D jellyfish and how y'all think I done on this set. Bye, babies.